Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Omid and I'm a software engineer. In this video, we will explore an exciting approach to writing unit tests in .NET Core using the power of ChatGPT. Unit testing plays a vital role in software development, and with ChatGPT language capabilities, we can revolutionize our testing process. Let's dive right in. Here we have the ChatGPT interface where we will be interacting with the language model to generate unit tests. Let's go through the step-by-step process of using ChatGPT to write unit tests in .NET Core. To start, we need to generate test scenarios. We will have a conversation with ChatGPT, providing it with necessary context such as input values and expected outcomes. This will help us explore different edge cases and potential failures. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate test scenario based on a simple calculator example. We will provide it with an input value of 2 plus 2 and expected the output to be 4. Fantastic! ChatGPT has provided us with a range of test scenarios, exploring different calculation and expected outputs. This helps us ensure our calculator's functionality is thoroughly tested. Now that we have our test scenarios, let's move on to formulating test cases. ChatGPT can assist us in converting the generated test scenarios into concrete test cases. It can provide syntactically correct test case templates and help us include the necessary assertion. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate a test case for the first scenario. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Excellent. ChatGPT has provided us with a complete test case, including the necessary arrange, act, and answer section. This saves us time and reduces the chance of human error. That was about how you can communicate with ChatGPT and give ChatGPT some scenario and get the test cases or test scenario. But for an actual project, I'll give you an easiest way to write the unit test very fast. For example, here I have a project. It's a .NET Core Web API project. Here I have a controller and an action method, and there are some simple logic that I'm going to write some unit tests for this part. For example, I'll copy this method. I want to write some unit tests for this action method. I'll copy and go to ChatGPT again. paste the codes here. Excellent. ChatGPT is writing the corresponding unit tests. These unit tests are written by XUnit and C Sharp, but I want to use NUnit. It's another framework for writing unit tests in .NET. Uh, then I'll give ChatGPT another text. Copy the action method. And that's it. Let's see. ChatGPT use NUnit, and the only things we need is go back to our project and create a new test project. A new test project with NUnit. Yeah, this one. I'll choose this one and name it as my web application dot test. Here I need to create a new class and name it as let's do it. Create a new class, name it as user control test, and bring this codes into this class. Put the test file here. Test picture. You need to add a reference to the original project. And basically that's it. If I run this unit test, it should pass. Yeah, it passes, and let's run this one. It passes. We just created our test project and wrote unit tests for our module in just a couple of seconds. In summary, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for generating unit tests, providing a starting point for test case creation and improving test coverage. However, it's important to remember that human review, validation, and maintenance are essential to ensure the effectiveness and accuracy of the generated tests. Thank you for watching, and please leave your comments and questions below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content.